time is it?
This guy's really good at it. Here you go, Mama.
They're like, we're starving.
Here you go. No, one of them can catch it in his mouth. He's really good at it. Here.
Move out of the way. That's my bread. I
Call
hate you.
Carlton. Do you see him do that?
Get out of my way. I'm catching bread. My bread. You jerk. Haha, there's me.
She's like, nail push a bit more so I can feed him.
What the crap? Why is everybody getting bread but us, guys? Come on, hurry up. This snow's kind of deep. Come on. Oh my gosh.
Oh, shoot, seagulls.
Stop throwing things at me.
Here you go, Mama Duck. Look, that
Come on. Get out
that
of the
one's
way.
really bold. He keeps coming right up to the door. Here you go. Oh, it's behind the bag. Look at it. Here you go. Oh! Mama Duck with the purple feather. With the
This
purple
one is a fatty.
Oh my gosh. Here you go.
Morning.
Morning.
You know, earlier I thought I saw a frog.
Shut up, no way. Ellie, stop it.
Come on, Mama Duck. Go on.
Oh,
Yeah.
look.
He's like, hi, hi, hi. I can do that to you.
Morning, Glenny.
Oh, morning, Mary. I'm sorry, that was not there. Look at the princess. She's like a moose out bread.
What you having this morning? Some nutrition?
It's breakfast.
Oh, you look lovely.
Good.
Like a prince.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Morning, Megan.
Morning, Carrie.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.